Welcome to my channel. Here we are going to be constructing a tangent and a normal at a point on this curve, on this ellipse. And I'm making use of this point that I've labeled P. Okay, so what we are to do first is to draw a line that will connect this point F1 to point P on the curve. Okay, so then we are going to repeat it. So we connect point P with point F2. All right, so then the next thing that we are going to do is to bisect the angle between this line PF1 and PF2. To do that, so we are to draw 3 arcs, and the first arc, so we are making use of this point as a center, and the arc is of any radius, so we can just draw it like this. All right, so then it remains 2 arcs for us to draw. So we come here again, select this type of arc and make use of this point as a center. So we are going to draw an arc of radius 25. So that's my decision. So I want to be 25. So draw the arc like this. And then, so we come back again and take the arc again. So make use of this point at the center. And then, so we also draw an arc of the same radius, 25. Okay, so 25. Okay, so enter. All right, so it goes like this. So we have this. So now, so the next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to draw a line from the point of intersection of the arcs through point P. So it goes like this, and it goes up like this. So we are looking at the angle. Okay, sorry. So let me just extend it from here. So I will stretch it up like this. I'll be looking at the angle between them. So this angle here that we have here. So this is angle 63. Okay, so we just what? Press escape key. So this line is at angle 63 degree to the horizontal. So now the number will now be at angle 27 to the horizontal. So, and then it will be at 90 degree to this line. So, okay. So let's quickly do that. So we are going to take a line, and then we are going to draw a line. So I'll draw it from here. So, and I'm going to enter the angle. So just press a tab key on the keyboard and input 27. So press the key, the enter key on the keyboard, then we select this, and then we pick it from here. Then we bring it to this point. So we drop it there, so escape. Okay, so let's check the angle between this line and this line. So let's check the angle. So we click on this, okay? So then select this line, select this line. So let's check. So you can see the angle is 90 degree. The angle is 90 degree, so that's it. All right, so I want to make this line, I want to make them thick lines. So I'm going to, first of all, I'm going to break this line here. So I'll break it by trimming it. So I break it here. So right click, enter. And then I'm going to stretch this one out. So I just stretch it to touch this point. Okay. All right, so we have this. Okay, so then I'm going to, so the reason why I did that, I want to make this to be a thick line. So that is the reason why I broke it, okay? If I don't do that, everything will be made thick line. So that's what we have there. So now I want to label the points on the line. So I will copy this, and then I will drop one here and drop one. So here, and then I will drop one here. All right, so then I'm going to call this point. So this point here is Q, and this point here is point R. So this is point R, while this point here is point S. So here we have S here. All right, so then the next thing that I'm going to do, I want us to, this is a tangent, and this is a normal. Okay, so I'm going to, I want to write them out. I want to make sure. So we write on them. So, Okay, so what I will just do, so I'm going to draw a line from here in this direction. Okay, so I will also draw a line, so from here in this direction. Okay, so we have this, so then I'm just going to write straight. Okay, so I'll just pick this one. I will use it to do what I want to do. So I will drop it here. I will drop this one. I will drop it here. All right, so then I'm going to edit this. So this is normal. Okay, so why this one here? So this line is a tangent. All right, so here is it. So we have drawn a normal and a tangent to this point P on the ellipse. As simple as I've done it here, all you have to do is to practice. Thank you and keep on practicing. God bless you.